Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this free video series, we're on the hunt for the best mix bus processing plugins by Waves. This week, we're taking a look at this H-Comp analog style compressor with a lot of attitude. It's really good at gluing things together. It's got a really nice vibe to it and some nice little features that I'll show you in a minute. Now let's fly through the control set and then we'll put this thing to work. So we've got this main threshold dial in the middle here. Twist it to the right, you're going to be lowering the threshold, thus applying a bit more compression. We've got ratio to the left there, attack, release, and this is quite interesting because we've got a few different modes down here. We can set it to milliseconds, sync it to host or BPM. Now I'm going to sync this to the host's BPM, which is 120 beats per minute, which is nice because then we'll get the release timings sort of working a little bit more in time, rhythmical to the song. 4 styles of analog vibe at the top here, parallel mix control, and we've got a punch control down here at the bottom left. And what this does is it lets through more transients. And you're probably thinking, well, that's what the attack control's for, isn't it? You slow the attack down, lets through a little bit more of the transient information. Well, yes, but punch does it in a slightly different way. It sort of bypasses the attack altogether. You'll hear this shortly. So let's put H-Comp to work and hear what we can do on an entire mix. Right, threshold, let's push it. Always find it easier to overdo compression when I'm working on the mix bus. Push the punch. You definitely hear it in the kick. Slow the attack. Right, I am overbaking it a bit, but as I said, I just want to be able to hear what the compressor's doing, and then I'll either raise the threshold a little bit, or I will do some parallel processing. I'm not sure yet. Let's find out. So let's have a little play around with the analog dial at the top here, see if we can find the right flavour for this. Two sounded the most open to me. Let's use this and try putting back some of the unprocessed. We're getting there. Let's go back round again. Back it off at the threshold. That's nice. Anyway, for more information on H-Comp and to download the demo, do check out the Waves website. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.